Meaning of dereliction.
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 Dereliction. The term dereliction refers to the act of neglecting or abandoning one's duty or responsibility. This can result in a range of negative consequences, depending on the specific situation and context, such as damage to property, harm to individuals, financial loss, erosion of trust or reputation, and even legal repercussions. Dereliction can occur in various domains, including professional, personal, social, and political realms, and can have far-reaching effects on both the individual and the wider community. It is important to recognize and address instances of dereliction in order to prevent further harm and promote accountability and integrity.